One of the maintenance issues you occasionally have on these old rigs is the tumblers in the door locks. They get dry over time and they do not function. They just kind of they simply do not work. I know this might be a foreign idea to some, where they just have the push the button. It doesn't work that way with the old girl. So here is what we do. This would be easier, say, if you had a straw with your penetrating lubricant. I like the PB Blaster. I picked this up at my local Runnings. It's a farm and hardware store. Here's what you do. You take a little pick. You got that little door there. Use the pick to open up the door. Make sure you know where your nozzle is pointing. Give her just a little spritzel. Like so. Make sure you've got a rag handy. You're going to get a little bit of this and that. Look at that. Clean it up very nice. Take your key. Viola. Lock, unlock. Everything is grand.